Are you looking for the servo that's special for the 110 touring car? Hi, this is Andy from SAVOX. Today I want to introduce the SB-2263MG for you guys. This one is a old version, but we also upgrade to the Plus version. So we upgrade the software so you can accept for the SSR and also the soft start function for that. And this one, because it's special design for the 110 touring car, so the cable is only 5 centimeters. So you don't need to think how to fix your cable lengths. We already designed for you guys. And this one is only can use in 6 volt. So in the 6 volt, the speed will be 0.076. And the torque is 10 kg. It's okay for most of our competition for 110 touring car. And we have several versions. We have a Black Edition, we have a Gold Edition, we also have a Young Edition, and also the Cavalieri Edition. So if you are interested, please contact with our local distributor for which version you want and visit SAVOX website at teamsavox.com. Thank you.